In this video, you'll learn how to cancel your Calendly subscription in a simple, clear way so you don't get charged going forward. We'll go through the exact clicks you need to make, along with a few tips so you know what to expect once you've cancelled. First, make sure you're logged into your Calendly account. Open your browser, go to the Calendly website, and sign in with your usual login details. It's important that you're signed in to the correct account, especially if you manage more than one or if you've used different email addresses in the past. Once you're in, you'll be on your main Calendly dashboard, where you normally see your events and scheduling options. From here, you'll need to navigate to the admin center. This is where Calendly keeps the settings related to your account and billing. You can usually find it by looking for your profile icon, often in the top right corner of the screen or along a sidebar menu on the left. Click that and look for an option that says something like Admin Center or Admin Settings. Right, when you see it, go ahead and click to open it. Inside the Admin Center, you'll see different sections for managing your account. The one you're interested in is billing. This is where your subscription details, payment method, and plan information are stored. Find and select the billing option. It might appear as a tab across the top or as an item in a list of settings, depending on any layout changes Calendly has made, but it should clearly mention billing or plans. Once you're in the billing area, look for a button or link that says Change Plan. This is what lets you modify your current subscription. Click on Change Plan to see the different options that are available for your account. Calendly will now show you the various plans you can choose from. To cancel your paid subscription, you're going to move to the free option. Look for the downgrade option, which is usually tied to the free plan. Select downgrade, then choose the free plan as your new subscription level. At this stage, Calendly may show you a confirmation screen summarizing what's going to change. Read this carefully so you understand whether any paid features will be removed and when your downgrade takes effect. In many cases, your paid features might remain active until the end of your current billing period, and then you'll automatically be on the free plan after that. Confirm the downgrade when you're ready. Once you've completed this, your account should now be on the free plan, which means you won't be charged for the paid subscription going forward. It's a good idea to double check by returning to the billing section and confirming that your plan is now listed as free. You can also keep an eye on your email for any confirmation message from Calendly, which often includes details about your plan change and the effective date. That's all you need to do to cancel your Calendly subscription by downgrading to the free plan.